Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in today's class we will be learning what are lists in HTML. So lists in HTML they are basically used to sort data in an orderly fashion. It can be a numeric, alphabetical or a bullet points. So in short they are used to sort those data in lists. So in an HTML there are basically two types of lists. One is ordered list and then another one is unordered list. Now we shall look on these examples one by one on how to create different listings in HTML. So out here let's create one heading 2 and then let's write these are the names of our classmates. So in our example I have just written this one, but it will depends on the type of HTML documents you are creating. You can list any type of data. First of all, let's try to create for unordered list, UL. So UL stands for unordered list. After that, after specifying the type of list you want to create, let me give li. Li stands for list. So let's say Sanjay. After that we have to close it. Now we have to go on creating this list, how much we want to create it. Like this type of different types of lists, it can be used to create different menus in HTML, or we can use this different list to list out different steppings. Like if you are going to create a tutorial documents, like where there are various numbers of steppings, you want to show it to your user, you can use all this type of lists. Okay, let us suppose that we are done. Like if you want to go on adding more lists, you can go on. So you can go on as much as you want. Now once you are done with creating your list, we should not forget to close our unordered list. So this is the opening tag for ordered list, and then this is the ending tag for our unordered list. So let's save this one. So make sure to save it in your browser, and then make sure to give a relevant name. I have given as a list.html. So let's go and then run it inside our browser. So inside our browser the output will be something like this. So if we use an ordered list, the listing will be an bullet points like this, without any sequence of characters, without any sequence. All the data will be list according to the way how we write this one. So it does not have a first or second. The first list we have written, it will appear the first, second, third, and so on. So the bullet points for an ordered list, the output will be an bullet points like this. So let's go back and then let's try to create for ordered list. Okay, after that the HTML tag to create an ordered list is OL. OL stands for ordered list. After that, same thing, we have to follow this one. You can list the number or different data as you like. So let's follow the same one. li list. After that, Okay, so let's say we are done now. Let me close this ordered list. Now let's save this one and then go to our browser and then let's refresh it. So an ordered list, it will have a bullet points, and for ordered list, the listing will be an sequence, like it will be represented by numbers, letters, or characters. So let's make this smaller. Okay, now for example, if instead of having this 1 2 3 4 numeric numberings, if you want to use like Roman numberings, alphabetical orders, we have to specify the type of listing inside our ordered list. So let's try it inside OL space. After that, we have to specify the type. Type is equal to, for example, if you want to list it in Roman numbers, let's write like this. Let's save it and then let's go back here and then refresh it. So if we specify the type here, that particular numbering will appear inside your browser. Now instead of these Roman numbers, if you want to list it in alphabetical orders, you can write in small a, b, or so on. So let's save this one, and then if we refresh it, it will be depending on the type of list you have specified. So that is how we can use to create this ordered and then unordered list. So basically the major difference between this ordered and then unordered list is that this unordered list, it will be represented in these bullet points. For ordered list, it will be represented by it can be by alphabeticals or numerics and so on. So when we do it in a real life project, it does not mean that both this unordered and then ordered list should be work together. It does not mean like that. If you are creating some documents where you require only an unordered list, this type of listings, you can use this one, or else if you want to use an ordered list, you can use this one, or you can use put at the same time also, like how I have shown inside our examples. So you can have a many number of listings, many number of different type of lists within the same HTML documents. So that is how we can create listings in HTML. So, and that's all. See you in the next class. Thank you.